Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is dark oxygen. Recently, scientists have discovered dark oxygen, which is being produced in deep ocean by metallic nodules present on the seafloor. The oxygen is being produced at depths in the ocean where sunlight does not reach. This discovery challenges the belief that only photosynthetic organisms like plants and algae can produce oxygen on Earth. The findings were published in the journal Nature Geoscience. The phenomena was first noticed in 2013 during ship-based fieldwork in the Pacific Ocean's Clarion-Clipperton Zone, an area known for its metal-rich polymetallic nodules. The researchers initially thought their equipment was malfunctioning due to the unexpected oxygen readings. Over a decade, they repeatedly observed the same results, confirming the presence of dark oxygen. The polymetallic nodules that produce oxygen contain metals such as cobalt, nickel, copper, lithium, and manganese. The nodules are often referred to as batteries in a rock, as these metals are widely used in the production of batteries. They range in size from microscopic particles to the size of a typical potato and act as catalyst for the splitting of water molecules. The discovery poses significant implications for deep-sea mining. Before deep-sea mining proceeds, researchers advocate for mapping oxygen production areas to protect dependent ecosystems. The presence of dark oxygen also raises questions about the origin of oxygen and complex life on Earth. Now it's time to test your knowledge. The question is, in which ocean is the Clarion-Clipperton Zone located? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or Arctic Ocean? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.